In this video, I'll show you step by step how to open a demo account in MetaTrader 5. There are many ways to open a demo account in MetaTrader 5, but in this video, I'm going to share two simple methods with you. Even if you're a beginner, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create a demo account and how to log into the MetaTrader 5 app. This video is for educational purposes only. Before we begin, make sure you have the latest version of the MetaTrader 5 app installed on your smartphone. You can download from Play Store or App Store. The first method that I'm going to show you is to launch the MetaTrader 5 app. When you open the app for the first time, you will be shown their terms and conditions. All you have to do is to tap on it to open it in your browser. Then read through it and then tap on this arrow here to get back to the app. Now, you have to tap on accept to continue. Then the next option that will appear is the option for you to open a demo account. So all you have to do is to tap on it. So when you tap on it, you'll be asked to fill in your details. But if your app is not showing this option to open a demo account, don't worry. If your app is showing this page when you launch it, all you have to do is to tap on these settings and then tap on new account. On the next page, you will see MetaQuote. So all you have to do is to tap on MetaQuote to use them as your broker. So I'll have to tap on it. Then the next step is for me to tap on this demo account option here. So once I tap on it, that is where I will now access the personal information page where I will be asked to fill in my details. In this page, all you have to do is to enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your mobile number, and your email address. Under account information, make sure use hedge is turned on so that you can have more control over your trades. Leave the server to be on MetaQuote's demo. If you tap on leverage, you can choose from different options like 1:100 or 1:1. I suggest using 1:100. Next is to go back and then tap on deposit to choose the amount you want in your demo account. Personally, I like to choose the lowest amount and try to grow it over time. So I'm going to choose this 3000 USD. Finally, turn on this accept button and then tap on register. In the next page, your demo account will be created and the details will be given to you. So all you have to do is to take a screenshot of it. Kindly take a screenshot of it in case you forgot the password in future. You can fall back to the screenshot as recovery. The next thing is to tap on start. Select the currency pair that you want to trade on. The second method is for people who don't want a demo account that the buy and sell button will stop working after being inactive for a long time. Use the link in the video description to visit the deriv.com website. When you visit the website, all you have to do is to tap on open an account. In the next page, select your country and then tap on sign up. In the next page, you can sign up with Google account. You can still sign up with a Facebook account and you can still sign up with an Apple account. You can as well sign up with an email. But these three at the top is the first test. So you can use any of these to then sign up and then verify your account. After signing into your Deriv account, make sure that you're on the demo account page. So this is the demo account page. This is where to select it and make sure that you're on the demo account page. So tap on this CFDS and then scroll down and look for standard account. So this is the standard account. I have the account already, but if you don't have the account, it will be showing this option, get here. So when you tap on get, you may be asked to create a trading password if you don't have one already. If you have trading password but you have forgotten it, all you have to do is to use this forgot password button here and then you'll be allowed to create a new trading password. So all you have to do is just to create the password and then tap on add an account and your account details will be given to you. So after creating your trading password, the standard account will now appear like this. So you'll now be able to see this option that says top up and then open. So all I have to do here is to tap on open. So you can tap on open in MetaTrader 5 app. Look at this option here. When you tap on it, it will take you directly to the MetaTrader 5 app and I'll be asked to enter my trading password. So all I have to do is to enter the trading password that I just created or the trading password that I know. When I enter it, I will now tap on sign in and then I will be signed in to the demo account. You can also go back to your Deriv account. When I tap on this login ID, login ID has been copied and then I'll have to remember my broker. My broker is deriv.com limited and then the server is Deriv demo. So I have to remember these things and then I'll have to head over to the MetaTrader 5 app. So when I get to the MetaTrader 5 app, I will head over to settings. Under settings, I'll tap on new account. Under new account, I'll have to now search for Deriv. Let me search for Deriv. So whichever broker you are using, just search for the broker. So my broker is deriv.com limited. So look at it here. So I have to just tap on it and then the server there is Deriv demo. So this, I'll just leave it to be in the Deriv demo and then I'll now have to paste the login ID. So when I paste the login ID, then I'll enter my trading password. So let me enter my trading password. So I've entered my trading password, and then I'll check this save password. So I have to save it so that I'll not be asked to log in anytime I open the MetaTrader 5 app again. After that, I'll tap on done, and then I'll be signed in. If you get the error message, authorization failed or invalid account while trying to log in, the most common reason is an incorrect trading password. So enter the correct trading password and try again. You will be signed into your demo account. So if you don't want your demo account to be deactivated for being inactive for a long time, simply open a trade and leave it running. Just like as I have a trade running in this account. As long as there is an active trade in the account, the demo account is less likely to be archived and the buy and sell button should continue to work. If you want to learn how to place your first trade in MetaTrader 5, check out this video on your screen right now where I explained everything step by step. Now, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. You can also ask me a question in the comment section or tell me a topic you want me to cover next, and tell me which country are you watching from. Write it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.